Hey guys, today we are testing washing machines. Firework inside the washer. And I got a new camera. The Sony Ziv 1F. And a camcorder. That's beside the point. Firework lit. Run. I see the machine. Arn, I'm filming with the camcorder. Here it comes. Oh God! No fire extinguisher. Wow! So we have the strongest firework in the world inside the washer. 3-1. Okay. That's the front of the washing machine. That's the main part. I don't know what that is. And the glass. Bye.